So it's about 1:30 in the morning, just waking up, and I'm stuck in the fridge. 2 o'clock, still in the fridge. My skin is now frozen to the sides of the fridge. Don't try this at home, kids. Fridge update. I've got mad brain freeze, head is banging, nipples like coat hangers, and washing on them. It's getting serious now. Cold's really setting in now. Nose is running, eyes are watering. I'm gonna have to come up with a plan. Right, plan is I'm gonna shimmy with the fridge away from the plug socket. Hopefully the plug unplugs itself, causing the fridge to defrost, therefore setting me free. Stay tuned, guys. Right, the plan's worked. Fridge is unplugged. Just gotta ride this out now. I've been stuck in here just over 2 hours. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm struggling. My fingers are so cold, I can barely use my touchscreen on my phone. What was I thinking? So I'm debating entering the fire brigade. Only problem is I'm stuck in the fridge. I can't even answer the f***ing door to them. It's getting real. Right guys, made it out of the fridge. One thing I've learned, do not, whatever the weather, sleep in a f***ing fridge. Till the next time.